Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Raja Amra Afifa and today I'll present my reflection on the 2023 Asian K-Halal Food Fair. Based on my experience attending the event and applying the culture theories that I've learned in my Intercultural Management class. First, I would like to explain the objective of this event. The event was organized by the Ministry of Agriculture, Food and Rural Affairs of South Korea together with the Korea Agro, Fisheries and Food Trade Cooperations. The main objective of the event was to promote halal Korean food products to Malaysia and also other Asian countries. Besides promoting food products, the event also aimed to introduce Korean culture through performances, traditional games, food testing, and interactive activities. As an international business management student, this event helped me understand how culture influences consumer behavior and how cultural activities can strengthen international business relationships. During this event, I observed many interesting cultural activities. There were many booths selling halal Korean food products, and visitors were given free food samples such as Korean snacks, ramen, drinks, and even samangko ice cream. Besides food, there were many entertainment activities such as K-pop dance performances, cooking competitions, traditional Korean games like Yunori, Kahoot quizzes, the Bulldog Challenge, Whisper Challenge, and a handbook photo booth. The atmosphere was lively because people from different backgrounds and the age group joined these activities together. The event was not only about selling products, but also about allowing visitors to experience Korean culture directly. After observing the event, I was able to relate many of these activities to the cultural dimensions that I've learned in my class. Now I'll explain the Hofstede culture dimension that I observed. First is collectivism. Collectivism means people value teamwork and group success more than individual success. During the event, I noticed that many activities encourage people to work together. For example, the K-pop dance performance. It was done in groups and the cooking competition also required teamwork. I also observed visitors playing the traditional Korean game called Yunori. Before making each move, team members discussed together and decided on the best strategy. From this observation, I learned that Korean culture places strong importance on cooperations, teamwork, and building strong relationship within a group. The second dimension is high power distance. High power distance refers to a culture where people respect authority and follow rules or instructions. I noticed that the event started exactly according to the planned schedule with the official opening ceremony by the Korean Halal Food Ambassador, Mariam, also known as Durian Kimchi. After the opening ceremony, every activity followed the itinerary smoothly. Staff members clearly understand their responsibilities while visitors followed the instruction given by the organizers. Everything was well organized and there was very little confusion. This showed respect for authority and structured coordination, which reflect a high power distance culture. The third dimension is long-term orientation. Long-term orientation focuses on building future relationships instead of achieving only short-term results. I observed that the organizers provide many free experiences such as free ramen testing, free ice cream, lucky draws, and cultural games. These activities may not immediately increase the sales, but they help visitors develop positive memories and stronger interest in Korean food and culture. This shows that the organizers were investing in long-term customer relationship instead of only focusing on immediate profit. Now I'll explain the entrepreneur's culture dimension that I observed. First is achievement. Achievement means people are recognized based on what they accomplish. One activity that impressed me was the MBTI food personality game. My friend joined the activity by answering several questions and received the personality result called SNEL, which means Late Night Noodle Spice. As a reward for participating, she was given the opportunity to wear a traditional Korean hanbok and take photos. This activity recognized individual participation and rewarded personal achievement, making visitors feel appreciated. The second dimension is communitarianism. Communitarianism means people prioritize the success of the group rather than themselves. Throughout the event, I noticed that many performances and competition were completed in groups instead of individually. The K-pop dance performances especially showed strong teamwork because every member needed to coordinate their movement perfectly. This reminded me of the Korean K-pop groups, where success depends on a cooperation between all members instead of only one individual. The vision clearly reflected the communitarism dimension. The third dimension is sequential time. Sequential time means people prefer completing activities step by step according to a planned schedule. I observed that every activity during the event followed an organized sequence. The program started with the opening ceremony, followed by performances, then visitors explored the booth, joined games, tested foods, and finally participated in the lucky draw. Everything happened in order without major delays. This shows that the organizers value punctuality, planning, and time management. After attending this event, I gained several important lessons. First, why is understanding culture important in international business? My answer is because culture affects consumer behavior, communication styles, and business decisions. Companies that understand different cultures can build stronger relationships with international customers and increase their chances of success. Second, which culture dimension was the most obvious during the event? For me, the most obvious dimension was collectivism. This is because almost every activity involved teamwork, including dance performances, cooking competitions, traditional games. These activities showed that working together was highly valued throughout the event. And the last one is, what is the biggest lesson I learned from this event? The biggest lesson I learned is that successful international business is not just about selling products. Businesses must also understand local cultures, respect cultural differences, and create meaningful experiences that build trust with customers. In conclusion, attending the 2026 Asian Korean Halal Food Fair was a valuable learning experience. The event allowed me to experience Korean culture directly through food, performances, games, and interactive activities. By applying Hofstede culture dimensions and entrepreneurs culture dimensions, I was able to connect the theories that I learned in class with real-life situations. Overall, this experience improved my cultural awareness and helped me understand how culture influences international business. As a future international business professional, I believe this knowledge will help me communicate better with people from different cultural backgrounds and become more effective in the global business environment. That is all from me. Thank you for watching.